Namaskar viewers, this is Mr. Shamanto. I welcome you all to this session of engineering drawing. In this video, we are going to see the process to develop missing view from given orthographic view in first angle projection. A solid has three dimensions: the length, breadth, and thickness or height. A solid may be represented by orthographic projection. Orthographic projection means of representing three-dimension object into two-dimension. Solid can be classified into two groups: polyhedra and solid of revolution. A polyhedra is a solid bounded by plane surface called faces. Here we can see in this diagram of this isometric view, this is a solid, but this solid is actually bounded by faces. So we can see there are number of faces are there which is bounding these solids. These are the solid. We can see this A, B, E, F, M, O. This is a face. Again here A, D, Q, O. This is another face. Likewise, there are so many faces are there like E, H, G, F. This is also called a faces. Now, the thing is that when in question you have been asked for missing view, you should be provided with orthographic view. From that orthographic views, you have to draw the missing view. Now today we are going to discuss the drawing of missing view, but in first angle projection only. We have to understand what is first angle projection. In a simplified way, in case of first angle projection, we provide right side view, front view, top view in this order. So that means when we move in clockwise manner, first the view which will come in the second quadrant, that will be right side view. In third quadrant, that will be the front view. In fourth quadrant, that will be the top view. So I am again repeating. Suppose say in this scenario, we have provided four quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So if you want to draw the missing view in first angle projection, what you need to do? You need to provide right side view here in this second quadrant. Also, you need to provide the front view in this third quadrant and the top view in the fourth quadrant. In case of missing view, you can provide isometric view in the first quadrant or not. That is up to your choice, because in the question you have been asked for only to provide the missing view from the orthographic views. Now let's discuss the problem first. Here the problem is given like this, that this object, the top view and front view will be given, and you will be asked for the right side view or the missing view. So in this case, the right side view is the missing one, so you have to draw the right side view. In case of the front view, the dimensions have been given. In case of the top view also, the dimensions have been given. So the dimensions have been given like this manner, that the length is 35 mm, the width is 40 mm, and the height of the object is 25 mm. And the first staircase, in this staircase, the first stair, the height is 15 mm. So first, what you have to do in the first angle projection, you have to draw the top view first, because the object is been assumed that it is been seated on a horizontal plane. So that means the axis of this object is perpendicular with the horizontal plane. So when it is sitting on the horizontal plane, the top view will provide the true shape of the object. So from the true shape of the object is the important one. So if we understand the true shape of the object, then we can easily draw the other views from the projection line from the top view. So after you complete drawing the top view, then draw the projection line front view. After you have completed your top view and front view, which is already given to you in the question, you have to draw the side view. For side view, first you draw the projection line from each and every point. So first you should give the name of each and every point. See here how I have given the point name here. In case of the top view, you can see, suppose this point is A, but when you are seeing this object from the top view, the first point you can see, which is this point. This is the point O. Beyond the point or behind this point O, there is point A. So here, see, first letter I have, the first point I have mentioned O, and A is behind the point O. So that is why O comma A. Suppose say in this case, first from the top view, what the point you can see? You can see the point Q. So behind point Q, there is point D. So you can see point Q only. D is hidden behind the point Q. Here also you can see in the top view, you can see point E, but point B is hidden behind point E. So I have given point E, and behind point E there is point B. So that is why I have mentioned the name of this point as E comma B. So 2 points are there because it's a solid. So 2 points are there here. But I can see only one point, point E. But B is point also there. But B is now hidden in the top view. But it is there, so that is why I have given the name like this, E comma B. Now draw the projection line from each and every point from this top view and from this front view. So after drawing the projection line, it will looks like this, and see the intersection point. This projection line are intersecting with each other, and here the projection line is making an angle of 45 degrees. We can measure it. Each and every point here in this right side view, we can see the projection line are intersecting with the intersection point of projection line. We can see the intersection points are representing the points in the right side view. So here in case is point A. So point A, the projection line from point A from the top view and the projection line from A from the front view are intersecting in this point. So this point is point A, because the projection line from top view and the projection line from front view is intersecting in this point. So this is point A. Likewise, this is point B, because this is the point where from top view and front view the projection line are intersecting for this point B. So likewise we can find the intersection point for each and every points. Now we have to join this point, and after joining it will look like this. Finished drawing will be like this only. Make sure when you are drawing the missing view, you should draw it in first angle projection, and also pay attention which one is your front view, which one is your top view, and which one is your right side view. If the condition is changed, then your view also will change. Suppose say if I change the front view in this side, then the entire diagram or entire drawing will change. So pay attention which one is your front view, which one is your top view, and which one is your right side view. Accordingly, you have to draw the orthographic projections. Thank you for watching.